Hello?
This is Harpo's. Stop! Lauren speaking. Harpo's! How are you doing tonight? Stop! What's going on?
Hello?
Woo!
Who is this?
Lauren speaking.
Hi, Lauren.
What's going on? Why do you keep calling us? Why did you call Harpo's? Are you gay? Are you looking for someone? Are you looking for someone? Hello? Hello?
Who is this?
Lauren speaking.
Who is this?
Lauren speaking. I adore
Who
you.
is this?
Of course we adore you.
Who is this?
Lauren speaking.
Who is this?
I'm guessing if you went to the doctor, you probably at least have 3 STDs, because you seem like you'd fuck anything that would appreciate you.
That's awesome.
I don't speak Ebonics.
You don't speak Ebonics?
You are rude and inconsiderate.
I said awesome.
Bitch.
Have you ever thought of having your chest shit on for money?
I am guessing that you have HIV. 50% of the people who have it actually don't even know. And if you're like sleeping with a bunch of, dark people, the chances of you having it are really low.
Well, no, what I'm asking you, I would like to be with a bunch of females, but I would like the option to take a shit on one of their chests. It's something that helps me out a little bit.
Really?
Honestly, it's a real person.
No, it's not.
Really? I just told her about the shit on the chest, how I want an option, and she goes, really? Hello?
Blah, blah, blah. Hello?
No, my only question is, are you with me? Hello?
Hello?
Who is this?
Lauren speaking. Lauren speaking. This is Harpo.
Who is this? Who is this?
Lauren speaking.
Who is this?
And I have red hair. I am whiter than you know.
Who is this?
Harpo.
Who is this?
This is Harpo.
Who is this?
Why did you call Harpo?
Who is this?
Why did you call Orange? What's going on?
Pretty good.
No, it's a real person. You're figuring out what you're saying.
Hello? How are you doing tonight?